In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invite link to a Snapchat story. We will walk through it slowly so you can follow along on iPhone, iPad, or Android without getting lost. Start by opening Snapchat. When it loads, you should land on the camera screen with the big circular shutter button at the bottom and icons along the top. If you are not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in so your profile and stories are available. Once Snapchat is open, tap your profile Bitmoji in the top left corner. That takes you to your profile screen, where you can see your Snap code at the top, your display name, your score, and sections like Friends, My Stories, and Shared Stories. If your Bitmoji looks different from mine, that is fine, as long as tapping it opens this profile area. Now create or open a shared story. Look for the Shared Stories section under My Stories. If you already see a shared story there, tap it to open it. If you do not see one yet, tap the option to create a shared story in that same area. The app may ask you to choose a name and who can add to it. Once that shared story exists, it will appear in the shared stories list on this profile screen. With your shared story ready, tap the story to open its settings. You should see a screen that shows the story name at the top, along with controls such as who can view or add, how many people have viewed it, and sometimes options to delete or leave the story. This is where Snapchat keeps all controls related to that specific shared story. Next up, tap Invite via Link, Share Link, or the Share option on the bottom left corner near Views. The exact wording can vary between app versions, but it will be the button close to the view count area. When you tap it, Snapchat opens the System Share sheet or a panel with options for sending that story invite link. From there, choose Copy Link or share it through another app. If you tap Copy Link, Snapchat puts the invite link on your clipboard, so you can paste it into a message, an email, or anywhere else. If you pick another app, like your messaging app or a chat service, Snapchat will hand that link directly into a new message there, ready to send. The link points straight to this shared story and uses your current Snapchat settings for it. Finally, send the link to the people you want to invite. Paste it into a chat, or just finish the message that opened when you chose another app. Once they receive it, they can tap the link and Snapchat will guide them into your shared story, using their own account. They will see the invite on screen and can join if their region and app version support story invites. You have now created a Snapchat shared story invite link and sent it to people you choose, so please give the video a thumbs up if this helped, and subscribe if you want more quick Snapchat walkthroughs.